Part 6. Lath accessories and soft joints. When installing manufactured stone veneer, the transition from foundation to framing is susceptible to water and air leakage. Mitigate that risk with self-adhered flashing tape across this joint prior to the installation of your weep screed. Install your vinyl or metal weep screed so that its beak meets the clearance requirement for your application and is also minimum 1 inch below plate line. If earth, 4 inches of clearance will be required. Above a paved surface, 2 inches of clearance will be required. See the NCMA Installation Guide to check your requirements. Notice the weep screed has a 3.5-inch attachment flange, a sloped surface, and is created from corrosion-resistant material. When installed behind 2 layers of WRB, the sloped surface provides an exit point for incidental water traveling down the drainage plane. Mortar against the sloped weep screed surface will shrink or retreat, creating the water exit path. Next, let us look at applications for head flashing and soft joints where stone terminates against any dissimilar materials, like trim, siding, or windows. For all horizontal material transitions or window and door penetrations, code will require a flashing. This will be integrated with WRB and extending a minimum 3.5 inches up the wall. The flashing will extend and divert water to the exterior. During the lath step, casing beads are placed at these terminations to create a specific gap dimension, which will later be filled with backer rod and top-coated with sealant. The casing bead also provides a screed surface to gauge and control mortar thickness. There are options to create a soft joint with a single-step expanding foam tape. See the Flex and Dry section for more information. A window is a great example where soft joint strategies address the movement and vibration created at the window. The NCMA provides a wide range of details incorporating flashing and soft joints. Control joints can be managed with back-to-back casing beads, or control joint accessories in VV or W shape. The NCMA provide a multi-floor joint detail which also provides a drainage outlet. Thank you for watching. Please view the other videos in this series for additional installation techniques and tips.